All right, well, you probably know where I'm at, but I'll tell you, I'm at Lake Texoma. I'm gonna get out here on the striper. I need some redemption. Had a tough day yesterday. I don't even know if I got a bite all day yesterday at Lake Fork. It was pretty embarrassing. So this is redemption day, and we're gonna pay back everything on the striper. Stay tuned, guys. Oh, there's a fish. All right, later. Ain't real big, you know what? I'll start with that. There's one we're looking for right there. There's some drag being pulled. That's some good head shakes too. Oh yeah. Choked it. Not a monster, but you know what? We will take him all day long. There's a good solid mark. Good solid bite, rather, with those solid marks. Oh, he just feels heavy. He just got me buried. Come on now, come on now. Get in the net. Just choking it. There's a good feeling fish. Ooh. Yep, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah, so he's got me right here, and he freaking choked it. Can't even see the dang lure. He choked it so much. I mean, that's what I'm talking about when I talk about choke. I I keep showing y'all that, but I mean, they're the one that bites it. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is a good one. Stinking hook fell out right when I got it in the net. He freaking engulfed it. He said, "Give it to me."